In this video, I'll show you how to install the ink cartridges in your Epson XP 5200. So let's get started right away. This printer takes the Epson 222 ink cartridges. I'll put a link in the description if you want to get these from Amazon. So it's always suggested you do this with the printer turned on. You're going to find on each side of the printer a small gap. Okay, there's the same on the other side. And you need to lift the top lid by sticking your finger there, and the lid will stay in place once you pull it completely up. Once you open the lid, you're going to see the ink cartridge carriage being presented to you. If the printer is turned off, this carriage will go over here and you'll not be able to remove or to insert any ink cartridges. This is why the printer needs to be turned on to make what I'll show you next. Now, it's time to open the ink from the packaging. So it's very clearly labeled over here where each ink cartridge goes. Over here we have black, cyan, magenta, and the yellow ink. So let's start with the black. Take your black ink cartridge. All the colors are marked right over here. You see BK. And first we need to remove this small sticker, the yellow sticker. So go ahead and peel it out. Take your ink cartridge in your hand, okay, in this position, so you should be able to read whatever is on it. And we simply have to put it in the appropriate place, okay? Simply let it sit like this. And at the end, you're gonna push where it says push. You see, it says on it until it engages and it stays in place. Let me give you another look. So over here we have the cyan. Here is the cyan ink cartridge. Glide it there and simply push so it locks in place. By the way, in the future, when you'll have to change these ink cartridges, to remove them, they all have a small latch on the top. So you simply have to push on that latch and pull up with your finger. This way the ink cartridge will come out and you'll be able to drag it out of the printer and install a new one. Now we have the magenta and finally the yellow ink cartridge. Okay, perfect. Once this is done, we need to close the lid. So simply push the lid down and this is about it. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, check my Amazon links if you want to get this ink for your Epson printer, and I'll see you in the next video.